time to finally start working on clearing the sweet potatoes. They have taken over, clear over into the tomatoes. So first thing we got to do is start pulling the vines off. I'm not allowed to pull on them, so I have helpers. We have big helpers. We also have a little helper. This is the new addition to our family since we lost our little miss, our old alley girl. And this is Miss Anna. Miss Anna is a Great Dane Pit Bull mix.
But her full name
very
is
sweet.
But her full name is Anna Mae.
Yes, Anna Mae. Okay, put Anna down.
Okay,
And
Anna.
start pulling your vines. Easy.
Last two?
Okay, let's see.
If there's any more.
Oh.
There's one there. There's one right there. You gotta wiggle it to get it out.
Yeah.
There you go.
It's right here. Yeah, but.
I think it's...
Gabe, Doug would be proud of you doing this barefoot.
I accidentally broke it.
Yeah, that happens sometimes. Look at that.
We found the main stalk, and then that has most
Show
of
all
the...
the ones that you got. These are a Japanese sweet potato, so they have a white mealy
This
flesh.
one's so big
more.
I can't grab it.
Well, hey, don't force them out. You're going to have to use the potato fork. See, we don't use a shovel. We use what's called a potato fork. This is our old one, and we bought a new one. So you can just lift it. You push it down in. The
And you
fork's
put these in
down in,
bucket.
and then you can gently lift the soil.
Oh, that's a small one. This is a small one.
So look at that. All right, we'll show you guys more whenever we get more dug up. This is the bed after we got finished. I think we got everything out of there. The boys were struggling with the potato forks a bit, trying to get deep enough, and I tried to help and overdid it with my hands. So, you know, I mean, reminder, I had carpal tunnel surgery a week and a half ago. Got this one dug up. We still got the other one over there that we have to finish. And then there's another container garden that's hidden in those weeds that we have to be dug up. So we'll probably have to get the kids in here to pull more of the vines and get the rest of them done. And I'll show you how much we got out of this bed. So this is what we've gotten so far in this bin. This is just a big protein tub. So the bottom is more than covered. There's probably about 4 inches of potatoes in there. I don't know how much the weight is. And we'll hopefully get the other one dug. We planted 3 different varieties. So this one is the white, like I said, the white Japanese sweet potato. And we'll see what we get our total will be.